Okay, let's start with events. And last time we did this part. Now we'll be doing the second part. There are five parts to events. Okay, data will be of work area will be of type MAKT, which is a table. Parameter Matner is of type Matner, and we have a parameter for date, which will be of type system date. Okay. Over here, we can use default. Default is a keyword where we can default the material number, but since we are not using this numbering range like this, so we're not defaulting it. But we can still default it because once the events get triggered, this is the material number that we'll see by default. So that's why we use the default keyword. Okay. Use case is here that the system date will change tomorrow and today's date will be shown in this parameter. Select single record or single line with all the records or all the columns of MAKT into work area where matna is equal to p matna and write the work area MAKT. Parameters p matna type matter default. We can also use pdate type. We're already using that. Parameters pmatna type matnum default 100 pdate type site datum at selection screen output. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's deactivate first and let's run this first. Okay. So we have default and we can use the system date. It will pick up the today's date. Execute will just pick up any random material and it will actually show you all the records or all the fields in MAKT which is being represented by work area MAKT. Okay, now let's deactivate this. And we have pdate. Pdate is equal to system date. Okay, now we are just experimenting with this part right now, and then we'll pick this up as well. And let's check. 'Let's check. Possible causes of error include incorrect spellings or comma errors, unable to interpret. So it's not able to interpret the equal to sign over here because the equal, of course, is used for calculation, permutation. Okay. That's the thing that it's not able to pick that up. Now, okay. Parameters. Let's copy this at selection screen output. Now, selection screen output is your event, basically. Okay. Parameters, pmattner, type mattner, pdate, type site datum. Okay. Pdate, type site datum at selection screen output. Okay. Events are used or triggered by event keywords. Any code below the event belongs to the event. So anything that will actually fall after this will be a part of. Now this is actually falling. It's actually falling under the event block. So event block will get triggered, and that will be a part of that event. Okay. Systems systems has events that are systems processes that cannot be forced. So we have to place the code in a way it can actually show the events processing is basically happening with our code. So various events can be executed in one program, and there are types of events like list events, selection screen events, output, of course, that basically will fall in listing event. Okay. Okay. Selection screen output, start of selection. Let's selection screen output.